Hello everyone. This is a question from GATE 2023. The question carried 2 marks. The question is from Linear Algebra. See the question given in the form of ax equal to lambda x. See these three equations all are in ax equal to lambda x, right? So that means they have given the eigenvalue and the eigenvectors. So what are the eigenvalues? 2, 2 and 4 are the eigenvalues of A. And what is the geometric multiplicity of that eigenvalues? So for the eigenvalue 2, you can see 2 appears 2 times. That means algebraic multiplicity of 2 is 2. And the geometric multiplicity of 2 is also 2. How do you see that? For the eigenvalue 2, you are getting 2 linearly independent eigenvector here. So the geometric multiplicity of 2 is 2 and algebraic multiplicity is also 2. That means the matrix A is diagonalizable. Because for the eigenvalue 4, it's obvious that its algebraic multiplicity and geometric multiplicity are same. So for all the eigenvalues, algebraic multiplicity and geometric multiplicity are same. That means the matrix is diagonalizable. Why it's needed that matrix is diagonalizable? Because it says we have to find the degree of the minimal polynomial. So how do you? If a matrix is diagonalizable, do you know the result that then the minimal polynomial have to be in linear factor? Yes. So what will be the linear minimal polynomial of this? 2 and 4 is the eigenvalue of this matrix. So the characteristic polynomial will be x minus 2 whole square into x minus 4. So the minimal polynomial must be in linear factors. So that reason the minimal polynomial will be x minus 2 into x minus 4. So m will be 2. That means degree of the minimal polynomial is 2. Okay. Now we have to find a11 plus a21 plus a31. Let's see how we do that. Let's assume the matrix is this: a11, 21, 31, b, d, f, c, e, g. Okay. Now let's use the first equation, that is this one. So this equation will give you three equations. So these three equations we in the matrix given, and if we add these three equations, we will get this equation number 1. Just take it, keep it just. So we have to find a11 plus 21 plus 31. These things are extra things, okay? So we have to find the value of these things and put it here, and we will get our required things. Now let's use the second result, that is this one, and we will again get three equations. These three equations we will get, these three, and if we add this again, these three equations, we will get equation number 2. Okay. Now we will use the equation now we will use this one. Okay. So if we use this, we will again get three equations, these three equations, these three. Okay. And we will add this. If we add this, we will get this equation number 3. So now what do we have to do? We have to add this equation number 2 and 3. So if we add equation number 2 and 3, we will get the value of this: 2 into b plus d plus f plus c plus e plus g, and that we need it. So the value of this will be 4 plus a11 plus 21 plus 31. So now we will put this in equation number 1. So if we put this in equation number 1, we will get a11 plus 21 plus 31 plus 4 plus a11 plus 21 plus 31 equal to 8. So that means what? 2 into a11 plus 21 plus 31 is equal to 4. So a11 plus 21 plus 31 is 2. But what we need to find is a11 plus 21 plus 31 plus m. So m is 2 and we are getting this value is 2. So the final result is 2 plus 2 is 4. Okay. I hope you understand this video. Please subscribe the video and do watch